I alone started this movement. There is so much response because they are hankering after it. Caitanya Mahāprabhu hinted therefore, bhārata-bhūmite manuṣya-janma haila janma sārthaka kari para-upakāra. Those who have taken birth as human beings in India, on the land of Bhārata-varṣa, they should learn their spiritual assets and distribute it throughout the world for real welfare activities. This was Chaitanya Mahāprabhu's indication. That was my Guru Mahārāja's indication. With that indication, I tried. And somehow or other, it is coming to be successful. Now, it is in your hands, you European and American young boys and girls, to take it seriously. From India, they are coming, but I am very sorry to inform, they are not giving the real, not delivering the real culture. So we do not want to discuss that point. But now you are intelligent boys and girls. You have taken this Krishna consciousness movement, try to understand more philosophically and distribute all over the world. That is my request. Otherwise the world is doomed.